This tutorial video presents some useful information for the installation of Onlabs application. In case that you have just downloaded the Onlabs installation file, left-click on this tab, and wait for the installation process to be started. If you see the Windows Defender's Smart Screen message, you must first select the More Info link, and then click on the Run Anyway button. Alternatively, you can start the Onlabs installation process by navigating to your computer's download folder. Double-click the installation file and wait for the installation process to be started. The installation process starts by asking you to select the language, which will be used during the installation. Select the language and click on OK button. Then you must select the installation folder, where the software will be installed on your file system. The pre-selected folder for this tutorial is the Games folder. Click on Next. As a following step, you have to select the shortcut's name in the Start menu. Click Next. If now you wish a shortcut to the software on your desktop, check the Create a Desktop Shortcut option, and click Next. In this screen you may review your selections. Click Install, for the installation of the software to be started. When the installation is done, you may choose to launch Onlabs software. In this case, you have to select the appropriate option. Click on Finish to exit. You can also launch Onlabs by double-clicking the icon that is placed on your desktop.